Welcome to Brewstar Reviews. Dive into the world of Amazon products with us as we provide honest, in-depth reviews to help you make informed purchasing decisions. The msi Crosshair 18HX AI represents a significant entry into the large-format gaming laptop market, specifically designed for those who require a desktop-class experience in a portable form factor. This machine is built around an 18-inch display, which sets the stage for its role as a primary workstation and gaming hub. It integrates the latest hardware from Intel and NVIDIA, aiming to provide a high level of performance for demanding tasks. At its core, the system is defined by its balance of high refresh rate visuals and multi-core processing power. This model is part of a broader trend where laptops are increasingly replacing traditional tower PCs by offering comparable screen real estate and internal specifications. By focusing on the 18-inch category, this device caters to a specific segment of users who prioritize a large viewing area and thermal headroom over extreme portability. The inclusion of AI branding suggests a focus on modern computational features, utilizing the latest hardware architectures to handle local machine learning tasks and optimized system management. In terms of build and design, the msi Crosshair 18HX AI carries a substantial physical presence. The 18-inch chassis is naturally larger than standard gaming laptops, providing a wide footprint that allows for a more spread-out internal layout. This size is advantageous for thermal management, as it provides more internal volume for heat pipes and fans to move air across the high-performance components. The exterior design follows the established aesthetic of the Crosshair series, which often incorporates industrial and military-inspired elements. The hinge mechanism is engineered to support the large 18-inch panel, ensuring stability during use. Despite its size, the design maintains a functional approach to connectivity. The sides and rear of the machine are populated with a variety of ports, including high-speed USB options, HDMI for external displays, and dedicated Ethernet for stable networking. The keyboard takes advantage of the wide deck, offering a full layout that includes a dedicated numeric keypad, which is a practical addition for both gaming macros and data entry tasks. The overall construction focuses on rigidity, aiming to protect the high-end internals during transport, though the weight and dimensions clearly signal that this is a machine intended for semi-permanent setups rather than constant travel. Performance is where the msi Crosshair 18HX AI distinguishes itself, driven largely by the Intel Core Ultra 9275HX processor. This CPU features 24 cores, a configuration that allows for sophisticated multitasking and high efficiency in multi-threaded applications. With clock speeds ranging from 2.1 to 5.4 GHz, the processor can scale its performance based on the intensity of the workload. This is particularly relevant for tasks like video editing, 3D rendering, and complex simulations where core count directly impacts processing time. Accompanying the processor is 32 GB of DDR5 memory running at 5600 MHz. This amount of RAM is increasingly becoming the standard for high-end systems, ensuring that the laptop can handle large assets and multiple background applications without slowing down. The graphics are handled by the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 with 8 GB of GDDR7 video memory. This GPU represents a step forward in memory technology, offering increased bandwidth which is crucial for maintaining high frame rates at the laptop's native resolution. The display is a central feature of this machine, offering a resolution of 2560 by 1600 pixels. This 16 by 10 aspect ratio provides more vertical screen space than a traditional widescreen, which is beneficial for productivity and seeing more of a game world. The 240 Hz refresh rate is a key specification for competitive gaming, as it allows for extremely fluid motion and reduced input lag. When combined with the power of the RTX 5070, this screen can deliver a very responsive experience in fast-paced titles. The 1TB NVMe storage drive provides the speed necessary for quick boot times and rapid game loading, though users with very large libraries may eventually look to utilize the internal expansion options. The performance of these components is managed by a cooling system designed to prevent thermal throttling during extended sessions, which is a critical factor for maintaining the high clock speeds promised by the Core Ultra 9 processor. This synergy between the high core count CPU, the next-generation GPU memory, and the fast display defines the overall utility of the machine. Determining who this laptop is best suited for requires looking at its specific strengths. It is primarily an ideal choice for enthusiasts and competitive gamers who want a large, high refresh rate screen without needing an external monitor. The 18-inch display offers an immersive experience that smaller laptops cannot match, making it a strong candidate for those who use their laptop as their main gaming device. Beyond gaming, the 24-core Intel processor and 32 GB of RAM make this a viable mobile workstation for creative professionals. Those working in field-heavy industries like on-site video production, architectural visualization, or software development will find the multi-core performance and large-screen real estate highly productive. It is also well-suited for users who need a powerful computer for local AI development or data processing, thanks to the specific architecture of the Core Ultra 9. However, because of its size and weight, it is less suited for students or professionals who need to carry their laptop all day between different locations. It is a machine for the user who moves between a few fixed points, such as from a home office to a studio, rather than someone who works primarily while on the move. In a balanced assessment, the msi Crosshair 18HX stands as a powerful desktop replacement that offers a comprehensive set of features for its price point. At approximately $1,697 at the time of writing, it provides a combination of a very large, fast display and high-end internal components that are often found in more expensive configurations. The use of the RTX 5070 with GDDR7 memory and the 24-core Intel CPU ensures that the machine remains relevant for several years of software and gaming advancements. While the 18-inch form factor inherently limits portability and will likely require a specialized bag for transport, the trade-off is a significant gain in screen size and thermal performance. It is a focused machine that does not try to be an ultra-portable, but instead leans into being a high-performance powerhouse. For the user who values raw power and a large visual canvas over a lightweight frame, this laptop offers a logical and well-rounded package. It successfully bridges the gap between a stationary desktop and a mobile computer, providing the necessary tools for high-level gaming and professional creative work in a single, integrated device. The inclusion of modern standards like DDR5 and NVMe storage further solidifies its position as a capable tool for demanding modern workloads. Ultimately, the value of this system lies in its ability to provide a consistent, high-performance experience across a variety of demanding scenarios, provided the user is comfortable with its larger physical footprint. It is a robust option for anyone looking to consolidate their computing needs into one high-performance machine that can handle almost any task thrown at it, from the latest AAA games to intensive professional applications. Through its thoughtful selection of components and focus on a large format display, it addresses the needs of a specific but growing segment of the market that refuses to compromise on power. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest product insights. Have a product you want us to review? Drop a like and subscribe, and comment below. Until next time, happy shopping.